A brutal attack on a famous poet outside a notorious historic London pub is commemorated by a plaque. And the assault was believed to have been ordered by a member of the nobility during a febrile period of English history. John Dryden, the prominent English poet, playwright and critic, was physically attacked on December the 18th, 1679, in Rose Alley, near his home in Covent Garden, London. This was a violent part of town then, as it is now actually, but there was more to this story. The assault occurred around 8 p.m. as he was returning from Will's Coffee House to his residence in Gerrard Street. It is widely believed that the attack was orchestrated by John Wilmot, the Earl of Rochester, in retaliation for Dryden's satirical poem, An Essay upon Satire. This poem, though primarily attributed to Lord Mulgrave, contained sharp criticisms of King Charles II, his mistresses, including Louise de Querouaix, and courtiers, with particularly pointed jabs at Rochester, a known libertine and rival of Dryden. Rochester, also a poet, assuming Dryden's involvement, reportedly hired thugs to carry out the beating. Dryden survived the attack and subsequently offered a reward of £50, advertised in the London Gazette, for information identifying the assailants, along with a promise of a royal pardon if one of them confessed. No one came forward to claim the reward, and the perpetrators were never officially identified. The incident took place near the Lamb and Flag pub, a location later commemorated by a plaque noting the event. And brutal beatings were not rare at this location. The pub's upstairs room once hosted bare-knuckle prize fights, leading to it being nicknamed the Bucket of Blood. Another literary great, Charles Dickens, was also known to frequent the watering hole. The episode reflects the turbulent literary and political climate of Restoration England, where Dryden's sharp pen often stirred controversy. As England's first poet laureate, appointed in 1668, he was a towering figure of the era, but his willingness to critique powerful figures made him a target for such reprisals. Again, then, as now, the pen might be mightier than the sword, but its use could also see you getting a beating. Dryden appears to have had the last laugh, however, as Rochester died of the clap in 1680, aged just 33, a victim of his own carnal success. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.